idea, but the wrong box. Which one do you want to open first? Which one do you want first? There's so many. That one? I think he wants this one first, Daddy. What do you think? This is my ingenious plan, so he stays sitting and can open his presents. Can you do it? You need Daddy to help you?
That's fun.
Look, Daddy help you. Put it in his hand and see if he'll hold it. Oh. Yay! Whoa, that was fast. You're good at this, huh? Whoa, that's crazy.
What is it, buddy?
He's like, I don't know, but I'm gonna lick it. I'm gonna pull it out. And pull right here. Look, Connor, here's another spot. Whoa, you're opening presents. Is that a teddy? What's the teddy do, huh? Let's see what the teddy does. Okay, the teddy sings. Bye-bye.